Mastery and Monetization. So this is a step-by-step coaching program, and the purpose of it is to get you to making at least $10,000 a month from YouTube in the next 90 days. And what you're going to get, if you want to enroll, is a step-by-step course and community showing you exactly how you can start building channels, and it's literally the roadmap A to Z to do this. And it's literally the guideline that I follow and the blueprint I follow for every single new channel that I start. So here's what you're going to get if you want to join. You're going to get section number 1, and this is just the course, by the way. There's a lot of other cool stuff that's going to be included here tonight if you want to join for tonight only. But here's what you're going to get. This is just the course. You're going to get section number 1, the overview of the blueprint, the exact step-by-step blueprint laid out for you. You're going to get section number 2, the best niche to choose. I'm going to show you how to choose a niche, and there's going to be some other amazing bonuses that I'm going to give you guys as well. I'm going to give you section number 3, how to set your channel up for success. Everybody talks about optimizing videos. Nobody talks about optimizing your channel. Nobody does it the right way either. So I'm going to show you how to do that the right way so that you optimize your channel for success. I'm going to show you section number 4, how to generate and upload videos the right way. There's so many different guidelines you have to follow and all this stuff. I show you how to actually make money on YouTube and generate and upload videos the right way in section number 4. And then section number 5, how to blow up on YouTube fast. Section number 6, how to make tons of money with YouTube. And section number 7, how to hire others to make the videos for you and how to scale, right? This is how you can actually run multiple different channels, how to hire other people to make the videos for you. You don't have your niche yet? Don't worry. I give you a list of 100 plus profitable niches and example channels in those niches, plus an exact method of doing market research to find if a niche is even worth your time. The worst thing is investing your time and or money into a niche that you don't even know is going to be successful. So I give you an exact method of actually doing market research to make sure that you don't waste your time. So here's what you're going to get. Like I said, you're going to get those best high CPM niches, which is a value of $397. You're going to get, and I'm going to show you how to choose a niche, ways to go about doing YouTube, all that good stuff. I'm going to give you my secret keyword process, which is a value of $997. I'm going to show you how to set up your channel for success. I'm going to show you the best YouTube tool ever made. I'm going to show you my secret keyword process, which is going to help you get those 5 to 10 keywords that you put on every single video that you upload. This is going to truly help you implement similar metadata. And then I'm going to show you how to systematize your videos. This is a value of $497. And I'm going to show you the anatomy that almost all viral videos follow, how to systematize your videos, where to find content for list channels. I'm going to give you a free video editor that works for both Mac and PC. I'm going to show you how to edit your videos correctly so you avoid any copyright complaints or anything like that. I'm going to show you how to make high click-through rate thumbnails, where to find free music, stock footage, images, all the best places, all the best things that I've learned over my 5 years on YouTube. And I even give you video script templates, just fill in the blank video script templates for getting videos made. And I'm going to show you how to truly go viral on YouTube. This is a value of $997. I show you the best time of day to upload, how to truly go viral, how to understand YouTube analytics and the algorithm, double down on what's working. And I'm going to show you how to make 10 times more money than most YouTubers, all kinds of monetization methods, and I'll show you my personal favorite monetization method, a value of at least $3,000, at least. And I'll show you how to outsource content creation, either hiring one person to do the content creation for you, or making a video creation assembly line. And I give you fill-in-the-blank templates for hiring people. And I show you the best places to hire people, how to organize your teams, and how to make sure that your team is as efficient as it can possibly be. So you put a video ID in one end of the system and get a finished video out the other end. I show you how to do that. Value of at least $997. And you're going to get access to the private Facebook group, which I'm in every single day answering questions. So I want to make sure that I don't want this to be like any other coaching program, course, or anything like that, where people buy the course and then they get forgotten about by the course creator. That happens way too much. I spent over $10,000 of my own money in the past year just on YouTube courses alone, and I've spent over $30,000 of my own money on courses on other things like health, finance, relationships, motivation, all that kind of stuff. And I can't tell you how frustrating it is to join a course and then just be forgotten about by the person who made the course. And if you have questions along the way, which you invariably will, there's no one there. So with my coaching program, Tube Mastery And Monetization, you get access to a private student group, which is worth at least $10,000 because you're going to be able to ask me any questions that you have, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have along the way to ensure that you're successful with YouTube. So this is a total value of over $16,000. I'm not going to charge you anywhere near $16,000, don't worry. And this is the normal price of this program is $997. And the price will be going up to $997 very soon after this live stream. So, and the reason for that is because I'm going to be adding so much stuff in this coaching program. This is my flagship coaching program that I put all my time and effort into. I don't have a million other things I'm working on. This is literally my only coaching program. I want to give you guys every student in this program, this one program that I have, the best support that I possibly can. Now, I'm not going to charge you $997 like I usually do, and like the price will be going up to soon. If you're on this stream today, I will let you in Tube Mastery Monetization for only $497. Now, there's one stipulation and one catch only. Only if you agree to become a testimonial when you get results. So what does this mean? It means you agree to submit an honest video review of the program if you so decide to join. So if you want to join today for only $497, you have to agree to become a testimonial when I help you get results. And this is the ultimate risk-free opportunity. I give you a straight up stupid 60-day refund action-based guarantee. There's so many course creators out here who offer 14-day refund guarantees. I give you a 60-day refund guarantee. As long as you plan on using the course, you have 60 days to try this out. And if you're not 100% satisfied, you have a completely risk-free refund guarantee. I don't care if it's 59 days, 23 hours, and 59 minutes from now. Simply email me, and you're going to get support. You're going to get access to me in the private Facebook group. Ask for a refund, and I will give it to you as soon as possible. So let's compare. Would this be worth it if you got just one viral video? And the answer is yes, because it'd be able to pay for this whole program and then some. And let's look at logically, can you actually do this, right? Can you actually make the right videos? Yes, I showed you how to actually make the right videos, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it the right way. And I'm going to show you examples of videos along the way as well. Can you build channels just like mine? Yes, I showed you the exact strategy I do for setting up channels for success. Can you choose the right niche? Yes. I give you a list of over 100 plus profitable niches, plus a way to do market research to make sure you don't waste your time in any niche. Is this more cost efficient than doing Shopify, doing drop shipping, doing SSMA? The answer is yes, because all that stuff requires either a huge upfront time investment or a huge upfront money investment. This requires neither. The beauty of this method, you can start generating the videos yourself, and then when you start making money, hire other people to make the videos for you, start making channels in other niches, and expand from there. That's the true beauty of this method. So it's way more cost efficient than any of that. And is your risk covered? Yes, 100%. So can this pay for itself and then some? Like I said, all it takes is just one winning video. And it pays for this whole program and then some. And then whatever you want to pay for in your life. So let's look at what you do lose if you do choose not to join today. So if you resist placing this risk-free bet on yourself, which this is what it is, it's a totally risk-free bet on yourself. 100% risk-free guarantee if this doesn't help you. The discount, you're going to lose the discount, $497. You're going to lose $2,000 in bonuses. You're going to lose the money / time spent on content creation, at least $1,000. And I'm valuing your time here as well. Like, even if you're at a minimum wage job, I think your time is worth something. And so I'd say that's at least $1,000 of an upfront time investment, something else you could be doing, right? You're going to lose that. You're going to lose 6 months of learning worth at least $12,000. Colleges charge a lot more than that. And you're going to lose the potential to get results. For what? For resisting placing a risk-free bet on yourself. So if you guys want to join, this launch price will expire after the stream. $497. This is the early enrollment launch price. If you want to join, you should see a button.